So we've made some major updates to the backtesting platform on FX Bullsheet. So let's just start a new session. Okay, so as you can see, we've started up a new session. Now, I don't know how this trade's gonna go. I'm just gonna place trades randomly, okay? The idea behind this is purely to show you the new features which we've got on FX Bullsheet, which is called Prop Firm Challenge. Now, Prop Firm Challenge is exactly what it says. You'll be able to trade a prop firm's challenge via backtesting. Now, what this is good for is if you're considering multiple prop firms, you are able to do this. So I'll show you. So you press start prop firm challenge. Now we have some predefined stages. These are all 2-stage prop firm challenge. We will add more as time goes on, but for now we've just got these 3. You can create a custom one and you can call it whatever you want. For example, you're broker and you can leave any of these blank if they don't have the rules, or you can set them as the target. However, for now we're just going to do a TopOneTrader, but we'll also do a FTMO. So as you can see, I've loaded up 2 prop firm challenges now. And now when I place trades, what will happen is it will allow me to actually trade based off of their rules. And it will determine whether I would have passed or failed. Again, I'm going to go completely random in this. Way too big of a risk size, but I'm doing it for a reason. So as you can see, as our unrealized P&L goes up, don't like that wick there, so we're just going to close it out. But what we'll see is your profit target has increased on both challenges. TopOneTrader has no trading day requirement, so therefore you've passed that already. But it does have a consistency score, which is something that obviously we've only made one trade. 100% profit has come from that one trade. The FTMO, we've got to trade 3 more days, so you are able to actually trade as you carry on. As you carry on trading, you'll see how the rules affect your trading style. So for now, we'll just continue just placing these trades randomly based off that liquidity. I'm going to say it's going to go down, but who knows? I'm not going to. I should probably change the stop loss as well, actually. Let's just change that. Okay, so let's place the order. Again, risk is way too high, but I don't really care. I just want to pass this challenge pretty quick, hopefully. Let's see how it goes on. Okay, full P&L hit there. Okay, so as you can see with FTMO, we've technically already passed with terms of profit, but these trading days affect us, so we're gonna have to continue trading. These trades are played on the same day, these 2 trades, so therefore we've not actually, we're not able to pass. We're gonna have to trade to 3 more days, which is a bit of annoyance in my opinion if you've already hit the profit target. But as you can see with TopOneTrader, we've also passed, but we're not done on that consistency. So what we could do is do a very small trade and see if we can just bump that consistency, the right way. So I'm just gonna do a bit of a long position around here. We've kind of that liquidity there. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to change any stop losses. I'm going to manually change this. Okay, so we're in the trade, and I think that's good enough. We'll just close it there, just to pass. Okay, so as you can see, we've still not passed FTMO because we've not traded the extra 3 days, but we have passed TopOneTraders for phase 1. Proceed to next trade. Next stage, and as you can see, it all resets ready for the stage 2, which has got the stage 2 profit targets in. Now again, if you were to set up your own prop firm challenge, then you can just add different stages. I think you can do up to 3 stages on FX Bullsheet. So then 3 stages, again, you would know whether you would pass, or you can just do a stage 1, whatever it is. Let's try pass one of these just to show you what happens when you do pass. Okay, so I'm going to go a short position here, and I'm going to remove some of the old drawdowns as well. They're quite annoying. We'll just do something like this. I don't know. Again, we're going to go massive on the risk because it's just a demonstration. So in the trade, no, I would be looking around targets around this level again, but we'll see. I'm just going to close it because I think I might. Okay, so we got an extra trading day there, and again the consistency score is the one that's holding us back with TopOneTrader, but we're on the way for FTMO as well. Let's see what happens. So a big liquidity push up there. I'm not going to enter there. Again, the same thing. I think we're going to probably retrace back to these levels, to be honest. Let's do it. Let's try. Yeah, we'll aim for that area down there. I'm not going to change stop loss. I don't care. Right, 11% risk. Right, let's see what happens. Will we get tagged in? Yeah, we're tagged in. Let's see what happens as we play this trade out. Okay, full TP hit, nice. So 3 days again on FTMO, and we're still not on the consistency scale, so we're gonna have to skip. I'm gonna skip a few days. Let's try get to another day so that yeah, there we go. So now we could probably look at passing, and I'm just gonna throw it short. This looks like a downtrend I've ever seen one. So let's just do something like this. Again, we're not looking for mass profits. We just need that extra day to pass there, and we need some consistency in the trading score. Whatever, we'll do that. Okay, we're in the trade. Is that enough? Can we pass there? I think we could probably pass there. We definitely can now. Let's close that trade out. Okay, so as you can see now, we would have passed the TopOneTrader challenge. That's highlighted to us now. So clearly, if we were doing a top one challenge, we would have passed, and therefore that gives us confidence to actually go ahead and do that challenge. As you can see, we've also passed the FTMO now, so then we go to stage 2 with FTMO, and again, it all resets ready for stage 2. Big update is going to help a lot of people, so if you're looking between multiple prop firms, you'll be able to decide which one is actually better for you. So just quickly, as you've seen, we've already passed the TopOneTrader challenge, but what I thought it would be good is to show you what happens if you breach one of the drawdown rules. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just do, I don't know, a long position. Obviously it's not going long this. And what I'll do is I'll just set the risk ridiculously high. Obviously that would take us out. Okay, so you can see 5 lots. Let's see what happens. So we'll be tagged in the trade. Obviously it's going long. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so challenge failed, exceeded maximum drawdown limits. So you'd be able to review that trade and see that it was clearly more than obviously your ability. If you fail the challenge, start a new backtesting session and redo it. The reason we're not letting you do it continued is because all your profit targets and stuff will be kind of skewed from what you've previously done. And obviously if you fail the challenge, you don't get to restart that same challenge at the same profit and account balance that you had previously, so you would have to start again anyway. Obviously you could start the same date range if that's what you wanted to do, but you kind of know where it's going and you're kind of cheating yourself at that point. But yeah, so this is very much live. So if you exceed your drawdown limit, if you hit your take profits or whatever it is, it will update live just like a real trading challenge with a prop firm, and therefore you can really get that good feedback as to whether you would pass with that prop firm or not.